Okay guys, you know I'd like to share with you my obsessions and my favorite things. My latest is the limited edition holiday cheek palette, the Ocean Sunset Glow. It has all three of our Gen Nude formulas. You get the Gen Nude Highlighting Blush in Peach Glow, the Gen Nude Powder Blush in a limited edition shade Soft Coral, and Gen Nude Bronzer in Kiss of Spice. I am going to show you how I like to layer all three together, but remember, you can do them by themselves, layer 2 shades, really customize your cheek look. Don't forget, it's a great gift for someone else or yourself. All right, let's have a little fun.